Welcome to the fascinating world of our immune system, where time warriors work tirelessly to keep us safe. At the forefront of the spike proteins, those little structures are viruses that act like flags, signaling the immune system to spring into action. Our body's response involves a clever dance between the innate and adaptive immune systems. The innate side is like the speedy emergency responders, releasing pro-inflammatory cytokines and activating immune cells rapidly. Meanwhile, the adaptive immune system takes a more strategic approach, developing targeted defenses like immunoglobulin G antibodies. When a pathogen like a virus invades B cells in our lymph nodes form germinal centers, where they undergo affinity maturation, essentially training to produce better, more precise antibodies. These plasma cells then produce high quality antibodies, including monoclonal antibodies, which can be used therapeutically. The receptor binding domain of the spike protein is a key target for these antibodies. Vaccination is like a practice run, training our immune system to recognize and fight off future infections. mRNA vaccines, for example, teach our cells to produce spike proteins, prompting our immune system to mount a strong hormonal response, and then antibody army ready for action. This process boosts antibody titers and creates memory B cells, ensuring long-lasting protection. But our immune system isn't just about fighting pathogens, it's also influenced by psychological and behavioral factors. Stress, whether acute or chronic, can impact immune function. Acute stress might temporarily boost certain immune responses, but chronic stress often leads to immunosenescence, an aging of the immune system, making us more vulnerable to infections and even impacting mental health. Speaking of mental health, psychological factors like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder can cause neuropsychological disturbances, sleep disorder, fatigue, and cognitive deficits. These conditions can also trigger neuroendocrine responses involving the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and the sympathetic adrenal medullary axis for modulating immune activity. Elevated pro-inflammatory cytokines during stress or infection can lead to immune cell hyperactivation, and in severe cases, a cytokine storm, a dangerous overreaction that can cause tissue damage. Interestingly, infections like cytomegalovirus or imbalance in the gut microbiome can also modulate immune response, influencing overall health. So whether it's through vaccination, managing stress, or understanding our gut health, we see how intertwined our psychological state and immune defenses truly are. Remember, a healthy mind supports a healthy immune system, and vice versa.